Live. Okay, 1080p. Okay, I see that is up. Nice. Okay, I'm in the stream. Is this the studio? Where are my chats? There's the chats. Okay. Orientation selection not available while live. Okay. We'll see how this looks. Settings. What does it let me do? Okay. Sure. All right, moderators, let me know if we're live on all the things. Make sure TikTok is also up, which is the most important part. Make sure you can also hear the Zoom people talking on all of them. I do not see me live on YouTube. Yeah, it's usually way faster than that when I do it through Restream. It says in my manager, it says streaming, but I don't see it yet on YouTube. Oh, it is. Oh, you know what? There's two YouTubes. There's one that I had scheduled and then the one that's live. That's what it is. Okay. Got it. Let's check the quality. How about audio? I just cranked it up to see. Hold on. One sec. I've got no Zoom conversations in my YouTube. Is that correct? Everybody in Zoom, you want to say good morning?
Good morning from Arkansas. Good morning from Colorado. Conversations in my YouTube. Is that good morning from Seattle? Everybody in Zoom, you want to say good morning?
There we go. I hear it now for whoever's playing that. All right, I think it's working now. I changed the audio settings inside of the Restream's system. All right, let's see. Restream, is this gonna work?
On YouTube, it's sounds like you're in like a room with no acoustics. It's coming like through the speakers.
On YouTube it is, you said?
Yeah. I gotta like meet you over here on Zoom.
Okay, let's fix it. But what about TikTok? They're using the same audio, so I don't get it. Check. Testing. Why would YouTube be different than TikTok if they're using the same microphone and Restream? It's not grabbing a different audio source. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think it was just picking up something.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, you're coming in better. You're coming in clear. It's just it might have been some weird feedback coming from somewhere from a speaker.
Okay.
It's hard to test these things because you got the Zoom. You got
Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah. I got you. Let's see. Stereo. Okay. I've turned on auto gain control, echo and noise cancellation. All right. We should be good. There we go. I can see all the text messages coming in. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all of my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. And thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Going to do some audio tests for sound. TikTok, if you can see me over there, I am going to test some sounds. I want to know if you can hear my soundboard playing them now. Let me know over on TikTok and YouTube. Type in a 1 if you guys were able to hear those sound effects. Type in a 1 if you were able to hear the sound effects. Appreciate you. I can see you across the board. Let me know. Anybody out there? Rufus says good morning over on Twitch.
They're saying no and low.
No, okay, then that means it's pulling from my speaker system because I turned my speaker way down just to not get feedback from it. All right, check. I'll crank this up. All right, doing the things. Okay, should be good. Good morning. Facebook sounds good. Okay, thank you. Well, this is one good thing, Bruno, when I'm running it all through the Restream Manager versus TikTok and OBS, all of the chats are in that control panel. It doesn't matter where they're coming from. I can see them. That is really nice. You know,
Yeah.
I'm like always trying to I have 57 different things trying to find, who chatted to what.
Yeah, you can get the same effect on OBS. Chat window pops up, but then more windows pop up.
Yep. Nice.
It's really clear.
I'm sorry, Richard, go ahead.
Coach is really clear. Bruno, you're hot.
I'm hot on looks. So
Hot to trot. What you talking about?
thanks, Richard.
Wow, that's nice.
I was trying to use the technical term. Okay, jeez.
Oh boy.
You said you could see all the chats on Restream?
I can, yes. Yeah, let me I'm going to take a screenshot of it and I'm posting it in the streaming channel, Dawn, right now so you can see what it looks like. All these windows are editable too, which is awesome, so I can resize and all the stuff. Oh.
About this going live situation, I have my TikTok studio open on American Dream Trading LLC.
Oh boy.
You have to add me as your.
Did he send a Ray Charles meme, Coach?
No.
I know he said something.
She's like, I can sense there's something in the force. Okay. Bruno, whatever you said, send me a message or whatever. I have no idea. Okay, let's do this. Moderators, who wants to be on my panel this morning? I sent an invite.
That's what I was saying, Coach.
What?
You were saying you were gonna have moderators come up on the panel.
Yep.
That's what I was checking. Like, how many? Like, do you want everybody? Do you want me to come on or no?
I don't know how many. I think we can just do 2 or 3. I don't know how many it's gonna. I just wanted to try it, and we'll see how it goes, and we'll see if people like it and all that stuff, right? So I put the invitation link into the moderators channel. Do you guys see it? Okay, great. All right. Somebody jump in. I'll have a couple of us live in here today. Today we're going to do something different. Today's going to be extra spicy. Let me know when you guys come in because I have no idea how to do this. I'm assuming I click a button, but we'll see. Yep, I would assume so. So let me know, moderators, when you've come in so I can click the buttons without you telling me. I'll have no idea. Oh, wait, nope. Somebody's just typing. It's really great you started live. Thank you. Good to see you. Moderators, let me know. I see you over there, JPM. Which one are you coming out of? I think yours is TikTok. For some reason, TikTok chat, or is this YouTube? Hold on. Yeah, for some reason, the YouTube stuff is not showing the text messages, which is weird through that Restream Manager. Has any moderators joined me yet? I just need to know when to click the button.
I'm getting set up.
Okay, thank you. Okay, it says Dawn has, okay, add. All right, let me look. All right.
Oh, that's on my phone.
There you go. You're in.
This old man will need a remedial course.
You know what?
We're
I'm
gonna
on
do
my
that.
phone, coach. I'm on my phone, coach. Let me get out of here and go on the computer.
Yep, let me kill that session and remove you as a guest. Bruno, I see you, but the screen is dark. Is it supposed to be that way?
Yeah, it's got like a background.
Oh,
These things.
okay. Can I turn you on? Are you ready to go?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Yep, I see it.
This morning,
There we go.
and you turn him on.
I was waiting for somebody to say that. Why was I waiting for somebody to say that, for crying out loud?
Why are all the men coming on the Bruno?
You guys are ridiculous. All right, there we go. Can everybody see both of us now? Oh, yay! Yay, yay, yay. Look at us. We are professional streamers. We haven't been doing this for 3.5 years every single day straight. Look at us. Whee! Nice. Well, listen, while everybody's coming in. Oh, there's Doug. Doug, I'm going to have you in the stream. There it is. Boom. Yay! That's nice. All right, let's see where that goes. I'm just waiting for the little thing to catch up. All right, awesome. So everybody that's watching, so now we have multiple people up here. I'll have to figure out like how to resize, make them bigger and all that stuff. But the cool thing with this, new old guy. But the cool thing with this, right? This was kind of what I've been envisioning for a while. Instead of just the old man talking to you, we can have some commentary. People can write, clue in, people can say the things, right? If something is going on. So I'm going to try to have more and more and more moderators joining me inside of here just to get a little bit more excitement going on our lives instead of just staring at this old man, right? So moderators, whenever you're ready or you want to come in here, just obviously be ready to go. And in the morning, you guys can join the live session. Not saying you have to do it every day, but it would be nice if more people get involved. I don't know if you guys caught it or not last night. We were live for 4 hours. Did anybody catch the live aftermarket for 4 hours yesterday? And me and Mark were in there.
I was in there for a bit.
Yep, F2 joined us, right? We were there for a very long time. We extended the aftermarket session for another 2 hours. We did it like a one-on-one full Q&A. So thank you. So make sure you guys are always tuning in. You can simply do that. All you need to do is click that little follow button. If you're watching on the YouTubes, click subscribe. Appreciate you. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. My name is Chad, aka The Coach. I have been trading inside of the stock market for 34 years. With me today on our panel is Bruno and Doug. Both are training, some of our training moderators. Bruno, of course, is our ops manager taking care of business. And Doug, you guys have been starting to see Doug now doing more of the live sessions. And I think Dawn, too, might be joining us. I'm not sure. I see her little screen up there. Dawn, if you are trying to come in, just let me know. But I will have to make sure we turn the cams on and all the stuff. But We're trying to go live more often. Every day, of course, right now, the regularly scheduled program is every day from 9 to 11, which is stocks and options. Then from 2 to 4 o'clock is futures. And then we wrap up in the aftermarket from 4 to 6. So at least 3 times a day, we are live every single day. If you guys have ever wanted to know anything about the stock market, which is can be anything from short term day trading, intraday, long term swing trading, long term investments, your 401ks, your IRAs, and anything in between, right? Call options, covered calls, cash secured puts, spreads, it doesn't matter. Everything you've ever wanted to know that is about the market, plus all of the news that's going on. We are the first to always, every single day, report the news. We're always watching for hot stock picks, which are runners we're potentially looking at for the day. We post this all day, every single day, and we are live 3 times a day minimum. And we have training every single day for certain members, depending on your membership, from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. So right now it is 12 hours of training for VIP, VIP Golds, and Diamond members, right? So memberships have its privileges. Right now, by the way, we have that throwback sale, $500 if you guys want to get a premium annual membership. That'll also grandfather you in for $500 per year after the first year. Take advantage of that now. You can also add an additional year for $250. Just so you guys know, if you buy both of those, that'll save you $1,750, and that is $750 for 2 years or $500 for 1 year. Either way, whichever one you get, they will renew at a grandfathered price at $500. And I'm going to be turning that off soon, just so you know. It's going to go back to the regular $125 a month. That's what it has been for the last 3.5 years. But I'm doing a crazy sale right now. Also, if you guys are interested, which I highly recommend you do now, not tomorrow, now get the Diamond Lifetime membership for $5K, gives you access to all of our membership services. So that's $5K. Just so you know, each one of our services is $2,500 a year. If you spend the 5K, you get all of them lifetime membership. So make sure you check it out. If you guys have any questions, by the way, about any of our memberships, just open up a help desk ticket and we're more than happy to answer those questions and or create a live Zoom call with you to discuss those with you. So we are ready to help you out. If you guys want to join our live free training class that we'll have only for our Zoom members that are registered, we have a live workshop class coming up, not this Thursday, but next Thursday, the 22nd at 4 p.m. Eastern, to start your day trading journey. We're going to have multiple training moderators inside of that room to help you out and have some Q&A and all sorts of good stuff. It is free. We have enough seats for 1,000 people. We're around 350 right now. There is a actual technical limitation with Zoom in these large rooms that we buy. You cannot have more than 1,000 people in that room because we do an actual Q&A, not just standing up there, right? We would do some Q&A inside of that. So the first 1,000 people to register are allowed into that Zoom. It will not be on YouTube. It will not be on TikTok. You must be registered through our Discord, and you can do that by going to our website, American Dream Trading. Click the only button you see on the screen. One button. We make it real easy over here for you. Ding! There you go. It's free. Well, how much is that, Coach? Free. Well, how much does it cost after that? Free. I can't afford it because it's going to cost me. It's free. 4 p.m. Eastern, the 22nd. Make sure you guys come on over there. For those of you that are premium members and above, we've already posted the hot stock picks. We've already gone over the pre-market setup, showing you different key critical areas you'll use at the open and throughout the day. We've already posted the IPO center. You've already had training all morning long. VIP members have been getting training since 4 o'clock. By the way, we had a new VIP member. I wanted to welcome them while I was on the stream. Hold on. Hold on. I posted it this morning. JM Kinney, Kenya. Probably said that all completely wrong. Oh, nice. Look at that. Join today. Nice. Bruno, did you post that up there? Anybody? Somebody posted that sweet free Discord. Who posted that? Anybody?
That was me. Yeah.
Bueller? Anybody?
Is this thing working? That's 1, 2. Hello? Hello? Hello?
No. Who posted the image up there?
I can hear you.
Doug, you can hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Coach can't hear you. Can you let him know
We're on a loop. Somebody's microphone is open. Dawn, is that you? So okay, who's on first? Somebody right now is posting a free Discord join today symbol on the screen. Who is that?
That's Bruno.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. I'm like, all right. Okay, there you go. It's working now. Perfect. Don, do you want to join us? Is that why you're in there? You ready to go? Give me a nod if you're ready to go, and I'll turn you on live.
Someone
Okay,
just
ready to
scanned the
go.
QR code. Nice.
Nice. Nice. Okay, that QR code is sweet. I like it. Don, I see
Cool.
you're in here with a green background. You might want to change your background to something.
Can you guys hear me?
And your microphone's not open.
I can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
I don't think he
Yeah.
can hear us on Restream.
Nope,
Can you
I
hear us?
cannot hear you yet.
Okay.
Somebody might want to let him know. He can't hear us.
Coach, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm coming through Zoom, so you can't hear any of us on Restream.
Yeah, so can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Yeah, I just opened my Zoom mic. So yeah, you can't hear us on Restream.
Oh, I got you. Okay. So that's what we need to do is just open up the Zoom mics. Okay. We'll figure that out. All right. Thank you, gang. All right. We've got about 10 minutes to the bell. Again, like I said, we're going to try this out. We're going to see. So everybody's going to do me a favor. We're going to see if our viewer count's going to go up today. You guys are going to do all the normal things. You're going to double tap the screen, throw up the gifts, throw up the super chats. Let's try to go crazy today. We have 4 people in here right now. 4 moderators, right, are inside of this room right here. So show the love, man. Double tap those screens, do the stuff. I'd appreciate you. Thank you. Do I have my TikTok chat up? I do not know. James is in now. Boom, James, you're in. James will be coming in. That's 6 of us.
James is in.
5 of us. I'm looking at extra screens. That's
Yay.
5 of us now. James should be popping in. There it goes. It really is. That's that quick math. I'm real quick. All right. So I don't have TikTok chats not showing up in my restream. There we go. Look at that. Oh, what?
Okay.
Oh, this is getting exciting. Look at you guys can see where the chat messages are coming from. Do you guys see how I just posted that? You guys are going to see it live in a minute. Now, if I can
Yeah, I
figure out
see
a
'em on the
way to
side.
get TikTok and or YouTube over there, that would be amazing. You guys see all the chats coming in?
Yeah.
Yay. Good morning, everybody. Glad to see you all. You can see where everybody's coming from. You can see LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch. Like I said, for whatever reason, YouTube chat is not pulling in there. We'll have to figure that out. Very cool. Also, I'll have to see if I can resize some of those windows. Hold on. Excuse me. So very cool. Somebody just took that off. But anyways, we can make lots of adjustments on the fly here. We've got about 7.5 minutes to the bell. Listen, everybody that's watching, right? Everything here at American Dream Trading is about risk management. Now, remember, Remember, here we always follow the rules. Nobody go rogue. This is not financial tax or investment advice. Everything we do is for training and education purposes only. Make sure you guys never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. Doesn't matter what you are trading. Make sure you guys journal every single day. Go in with small position sizes that will allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. Make sure if you are a newer trader, you do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you are a new trader, also do not use real money. Somebody just scanned the code again. That's awesome. Do not use real money. You should be paper trading and simulate trading only during your training. That is so big. I cannot tell you how much that is going to affect you, right? And what you're doing. I want you guys to get the training first before you start trading. If you guys are interested in using a prop firm, you guys can check out Tradeify. Tradeify using the discount code ADT to get the best value. In fact, I bought one myself. I've got it set up right now. It is the 100K. So I might do some of that live trading in front of you guys with that today. I can flip over, show you guys exactly what that looks like. But again, if you guys have any call outs, make sure they're clear and concise, especially on the 2-minute EWOs. We want to hear those on the first indicator. The EWO is a strategy that I have designed and developed after being in the market for over 3 decades. It is basically a momentum style trading strategy that we use based off of a 2-minute candle time frame. Now, the beauty of the strategy is you can use it with any length of time frame. So if you wanted to go out longer, use a 4-hour, a day, a week, or a month. So you guys could potentially be using it for swing trading as well. So it doesn't just mean intraday only. It's just the one that we mostly talk about because we are inside of this room right now, usually just day trading. If you guys, though, do want to look at longer term swing trades, like I said, again, some retirement accounts, etc., we have some mentorship classes that we hold every single week with your VIP gold and or diamond lifetime membership. So if you're interested again in some of those, let us know. We also have a couple of one-on-one spots available with me, so I can piece in a couple more of those one-on-one spots. If you guys are interested in that, just open up a help desk ticket. Remember, we will never send you a direct message or a friend request ever at any time. So if you guys do need any assistance, it's only via the help desk. You are not allowed to send anybody a direct message anywhere. All right. Is there a video you recommend me watching so I can better understand the EWO? We have tons of EWO videos. Go into the advanced training videos, Carlos, and start to watch them. Okay. But I see you. Good to have you in here. All right, let me see. Yeah, never use anything bots. Don't use any type of bots or anything silly like that, right? None of that. Bots are trash. Don't try any of that automated trading crap. You will lose all your money. It will do you no good. It's garbage. Let me pull this. There we go. Okay. All right, we've got about 3 minutes to the bell. Remember, it's going to be fast and furious for those first 30 minutes. If anybody scoops up that diamond lifetime membership today, moderators, let me know, and we will announce that live. Don't forget, we do have super chats and super stickers available over there on YouTube. If you want to shout out or if you want to get our attention real quick, just throw that up on the screen. We will see it immediately. We are ready to rock and roll. Everything is in place. All my moderators are set up for success. Moderators, you guys have anything? We got about 2.5 minutes. Go ahead. The floor is yours. Thank you. Thank you.
Is there news today, Coach?
It's a great question. Do we have any news today, Bruno or Richard? We did the news. By the way, we're going to start announcing the news. Go ahead. What's up with the news?
CPI, which announced this morning, very positive. Low inflation, interest rates dropping, so that's very good for the market. And then today is the start of earnings season with the banks. Be aware, though, the banks are going to be affected a little bit by the administration's call for limiting the credit card interest to 10%. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. And if you guys didn't know that, yeah, we're looking at having a 10% for the first year on credit cards so they can't ding you like 30% right out of the gate, right? So, yeah, it's
We also have a new home sales coach coming out at 10.
10 o'clock new home sales. Okay, thank you. Also, just so you guys know, I talked about this a little bit last night. I know we have a minute and a half to the bell, but home interest rates for the first time, I believe, in 4 or 5 years is now back under 6%. So we are now rocking and rolling right under 6% or real close to it. So we're going to be looking at seeing if we can get a continuation of that. If we could get Powell out of the way, that would have already happened. So goodbye, Powell. Get out of here. Get out of our lives. Inflation is lowered.
Last second, in regards to that, is the president has said that they want to buy mortgage bonds, which is what caused that to drop. When they start buying, you'll get another drop.
Correct. That's going to be, I think, yeah. Didn't they earmark like 200 billion or something for it?
A huge amount.
Yep, a massive amount.
Or a
So,
good amount. Yeah.
yep, that's going to help too. So that's going to be awesome, right? That's what we want. Homes for all, lower interest rate. Obviously, right? The housing prices are still high, but that's because we had a shortage of houses. But there's a lot of things that are moving right now. 10 seconds to the bell. That's going to continue to help us. So let's rock and roll. All right. Remember, nobody go rogue today. Moderators at any time, open your mic. This is not just the coach's show this morning. There's 5 of us. All right, let's rock and roll.
Big pull on the indices, coach.
All right, here we go. Now remember, if it ran up in the pre-market, look for a pullback at the open, everybody, right? Okay, good job. Good.
To the upside on the futures.
All right, thank you.
AMD needs to break above 216.70, but it is to the upside as of right now, and then 217.75 for confirmation.
All right, thank you.
Be careful with SPY. You have the 200 to sit exactly at the previous day close.
Yep, I see it. Thank you. Good call on that. Also had that
NQ
pre-market.
double bottom bounce to the upside.
All right, thank you.
Yes, double bottom bounce.
Yep, watching that right there.
Also be aware that the markets have pulled back about 50% of the CPI information, which is normal.
Correct.
NVIDIA to the downside below market level.
Thank you. SPY right here. We're going to see what this is going to do. See if we can.
Broke that level. Sorry, AMD broke that level to the upside.
Yep, thank you.
Amazon below pre-market level to the downside.
All right, thank you.
Anybody that's playing IWM, be
SPY
careful. It's right at the
continuing to
level.
pull right here.
AMD to the upside, new high.
Thank you.
Dow pulling pretty hard, double bottom at what's that? 49,720.
Thank you.
Google to the upside above pre-market level. Also second green EW on Google.
Thank you. Watching to see if.
Tesla's got its second red EWO.
All right, thank you. Looking to see what SPY's going to do here on the 695.26 area.
You know, I usually watch IWM. It's pretty flat right now, so not doing anything.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, the Russell is in consolidation right now.
Be patient with SPY. Wait for the setup.
Apple 2-minute EWO. It's on its first Apple 2-minute EWO to the upside. It's blinking between up and down. It just blinked red. So caution area. Look for new high over there before we start looking at Apple. Okay.
AMD pulling.
Thank you. There we go. There's the bounce I was looking for on SPY. Boom.
It's just a brief back on AMD. Brief back.
Thank you.
Gold and silver pulling.
So, Bruno, you back with AMD, huh? A little bit.
Got to capitalize on the news.
That's right.
For sure.
All right, let's see. SPY still bouncing around the 695.25. We're going to see if we're going to get any kind of a move out of here.
SPY on the 2-minute is also blinking red and green and red and green on the 2-minute EVO.
That really is. We're just sitting here.
Yeah, SPY is in a tough spot. It's not moving enough to crush the numbers.
Yep.
Oil futures
Intel's
2-minute EWO to the upside.
Thank you.
Intel's second candle to the downside, starting red, and it's breaking the bottom on the pre-market.
All right, thank you.
Tesla had a awesome double bottom bounce off the pre-market low there.
This
Nice.
is one of the reasons why I didn't want to say pulling back, because you're going to scare yourself out of the trade. So AMD to the upside, new high day.
Thank you. SPY starting to get a little bit of a push here. Looking good. I'll take that for 400.
Nice job.
That was me trading SPY off that double bottom bounce over there. Just scoop that up for 400. Very nice.
Nice work, Coach.
Yep.
The key level is 7,024.75 on ES, Coach.
All right, thank you.
Break and hold above for longs, stay below for shorts.
Nice.
Apple near high.
NQ testing double top.
Apple second green EWO.
IWM is pretty much locked into the 262.65 level. It's not going up or down, which that is a key level. So
I'll be in about 2 hours.
Yay.
You going on another cruise, Nana? Look at you.
RTY and breaking double bottom.
Wow, you going on another cruise, Nana? Look at you.
Yep.
Nice. IWM was stuck at 262.65, which is a key level. It looks like it's starting to pull down now a little bit.
What is it, a naked cruise?
Shut up.
220.80 on AMD level. 220.80 above that. 223.50 is the next one above that major.
HMA, hold it to the upside.
SPY is stuck at VWAP right now.
That is correct. Yep, we're just kind of sitting here.
Don't touch it until it does something. Try it all out.
Have I had the wrong mic open this whole time?
Yes.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. There we go.
Community love. Stepping up nicely.
Thank you. You're like, come on, man. Nice. Those of you that are watching, do you like the new format where you see a bunch of us up here? Let me know. We're trying to see if you guys like this new format or not.
I love it.
Thank you. Let me know. Thank you. Everybody that's watching over there, let us know if you like the new format. Thank you. I do need to put like cool banners and stuff and all that good stuff about it. All right.
What's up?
Millionaire says way better. Legends says love it.
Who?
Bob says Dream Trader. I love it. Yeah, it's on every. Yep, it's on the YouTubes. Check it out. Yep.
Okay, yeah, I'm live with Coach. Can I talk to you in a little bit? Yeah, he's got.
Thank you.
Okay, boo.
AMD's got to stay above 217.75, which happens to be the 9 as well.
All right, thank you. Apple 2-minute EWO, fourth indicator to the upside. See it?
Down, you might.
Okay. Yep, I caught it.
Okay.
That was the restream mic. I forgot to close that one.
There you go. All right, thank you.
Just clarification, a new format. Are we also doing futures callouts?
No.
That's what I thought.
Nope, not in here just because we're stocks and options only. Yep.
Makes sense to me.
Yep. Apple, thank you. Apple continuing to run to the upside, 2-minute EWO, fourth 2-minute to the EWO. Now remember, I said if you're looking at Apple, look for new high of day over there, right? So breaking that pre-market high, which was around 260. So as long as you cleared 260, you guys, skies were the limit to you, correct? Good job. Good job. Nice work. Nice. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything, please let us know. Just type it in. We'll do our best to answer any and all questions. Thank you. SPY still making a nice move here to the upside. Now above the 21 on the 1 minute. See if we can get a bigger move on that over there on SPY.
Soxel has new high a day.
Soxel, new high of day. Okay, thank you.
Q's approaching double top.
Thank you.
Buy is right on the high of the day from yesterday.
Which one?
Buy.
Oh.
No, it's above it.
Okay.
Yesterday's high day.
All right, thank you.
All that was. But that is correct.
All right, thank you.
Google to the upside.
Thank you.
Looking for AMD to be above that 220.80, and it just punched right through new high of day.
Thank you. Nice. There goes SPY, still bouncing around off that VWAP and the 21 right there.
Your money don't make no money.
That's right. SPY showing support at the 6.9 or resistance at 696. Needs to break through 696. Everybody see that on SPY? That's what we're looking for. 696. Above 696 long up to 696.50 be the next move.
696.07 was yesterday high day.
Yep. Thank you. It's still working over there. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the upside. A little bit of a pullback right there.
It's really pulling on Apple right now. Pulling all the way back.
Oh yeah, huge
That spike's
pullback.
on a double bottom right now, right at the 200s.
Yep, I see it. SPY sitting right on the 200 MA here.
And yesterday's close.
Thank you.
For my AMD traders, shouldn't be scared of this trade right now.
And you guys were sitting on that, right? Fighting from green to red.
This was on a double bottom with pre-market low.
All right, thank you.
I want to say thank you, Coach. I picked up on your tip from yesterday and made some money. Thank you.
Nice, nice. Which tip?
Double top to VWAP.
Yes, that's awesome. Good for you. Thank you. Yep, looking to see if we're going to get this move off the 200 here and this double bottom moving this right here.
Fives are symbol PFE, bearish engulfing pattern talked about this morning. Now has broke below the previous day low.
Thank you.
IWM watchers, just be careful, be patient. It is stuck right on this level, 261.75. It is a level, so be careful.
Thank you.
Apple went all the way back to VWAP.
Watching this right here. Watching SPY on this 200 double bottom.
Stop pick UAVS, new high day.
Thank you. SPY fighting this spot. Fighting, 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 isn't it?
Yep.
What is this? 695, basically. Could not hold, flushed out.
These are the moments we talk about. We have to be patient.
Yes.
Playing IWM, it's sitting on that level. You're waiting for it to either break and hold to the upside or break and hold below this level. But either way, you need a break and hold.
Correct. Same with SPYs doing the exact same thing, right? Waiting for the move. Don't get impatient.
Wow. VWAP seriously rejected IWM. She might stay to the downside. We'll see.
Right. Same with SPY. Still fighting. So that's still on the struggle bus over here. Apple all the way back down to VWAP on the 2-minute EWO, all the way back down.
What do you think it's a balance, coach?
For which one?
Apple off of VWAP.
Well, that 260 is critical. That's the pre-market high, right? So, and VWAP is sitting there. So now if you're an advanced 2-minute EWO, that's where you add and have your stop just below it, right? If not, you've shed down to that point and now you're waiting, right?
Yeah, we did. Those runners got into the red, so you don't want to go too much, you know.
Yeah, depending on when you got into them, yep.
While you wait for the confirmation of that.
So, yep. So let's see what happens. SPY down here, like I said, SPY couldn't hold that 695 and pulled. Still waiting, still waiting. SPY is now 50 cents in the red. 50 cents in the red. Look at all the pre-market traffic over here. A lot going on in this area in the pre-market. Everybody be patient. How are we doing on viewership? 95 on YouTube. How are we looking on TikTok? 128. Okay, so it's about average. So we're averaging our normal amount. I was going to hope that it would, right? By having 800 people on the panel, it would kind of drive traffic up here, but we'll see.
The word will spread, coach. You watch. The word will spread.
That's right.
SPY retesting the open at 694.50.
Thank you.
AMD high at 222.23.
Thank you. Sorry, I just got like 100 messages all at once. Like all my email just started coming in all at once. Like, what the heck? All right, SPY, we're looking to break again that 695. That's going to be a major level of resistance. Apple's still fighting on VWAP. We're still looking for Apple to see if this can rebound and bounce off that.
AMD is still looking for that 220.80 for support.
Okay. Yeah, AMD still stair-stepping to the upside. 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Should have been shaving them if you got them.
Yep.
Apple pulling off a pre-market high at 260.37.
All right, thank you.
IWM found support at 261.27. There's those sevens that Palm talks about. So it bounced.
SPY.
AT&T is pulling hard.
AT&T's pulling hard. Okay, thank you. SPY still going lights out.
Meta has broken double bottom at 635.77.
All right, thank you. Let's see. SPY still trying to find a floor. Right around the 694.20 was a major area in the pre-market, but it still has a little bit more room to go. It's showing 693.85 was the pre-market low.
This is a 200 on the 5 minute.
All right, thank you. Yep.
Support on Meta at 634.33 and 630.60.
Thank you. Tesla still in that choppy channel. You know what's funny? Look at Tesla. Yesterday we had marked 450 to 447.83 is the two areas. And look at what it did today. Can you guys see it? I did not put those lines on this morning. Look. The exact same from yesterday. See it?
I was just in at 448, all that.
Yep.
It's the power of charting. The Spectre does lines.
Yes, it did.
Meta is a train wreck to the downside.
Meta to the downside still on a 2-minute EWO. Okay, thank you.
Maybe it hit that double bottom from yesterday's bounce.
NVIDIA.
Yeah, I think it's a real popper drop.
Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Yeah, wow. That was a nice double bottom bounce, right? Beautiful.
How about Google?
Let's take a look. Let me put Google on the big screen.
By the way, if you're new to the stream and you want to learn to do what we're doing, how we're doing it, and learn from Coach, you can join us at a free workshop, January 22nd, 4 p.m. Eastern.
Thank you. I don't have any previous.
All-time high.
I was going to say I don't have any previous data to go from. So if that's the case, oh wow, what the heck? If that's the case, we're going to go every 50 cents, right? If we have no previous data, 50 cents every 50 cents. Now we have data though. It's showing us what we had in here. So key area is going to be here, here, and here. So these are the major areas for Google right now. 338, 336.74. And so basically this is 339. There's all your major levels for Google right there. See them? Google's getting a pullback just like the rest is.
I'm gonna tell you, anybody who's in put to Meta are printing money right now.
Oh, good, good. Apple is still above VWAP on the 2-minute EWO to the upside, but what a battle right there. Just consolidating on VWAP, right?
You went all the way down to 200 and just bounced back.
I see it. Now remember, gang, that is all still considered above VWAP, even if they wick in it, the bodies go in it, all those things, right? And I know that's the hardest part to hold on to is when you start seeing them doing what it's doing, especially this wick, right? You're like, oh, that's still in VWAP, right? Okay, good.
Yeah, but what
If it breaks and holds below VWAP, you should not be in that trade, right? That's the training you get,
yeah,
right?
that's for sure.
Yep.
That's no question.
Yep.
Same thing in SPY, although it's battling the 200.
Yep. Google just went all the way down to VWAP and bounced. Do you see it? Literally pulled all the way back from new high to VWAP and bounced. It's almost like somebody in the room trained you, right, on how strong VWAP is for everything.
Who would that be?
I know, it's crazy. Crazy.
By the way, to get signed up for that workshop, just go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Just go to our website, American Dream Trading.
There you go.
If you look at Meta, Coach.
Is it still crashing out?
Look at the trend.
Oh, I see it. Wow, that's glorious. Who's still in Meta to the downside?
Oh, let me go look at it. Damn it, Nana. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
And Meta tends to stay there. Once it starts that, yeah, it tends to kind of hang with it if it makes that much of a commitment.
Yeah, it's because there's a slow roller at $630 a share, right?
2 minutes to shift change.
Thank you.
Okay.
I missed my entry. I'm not messing with that. I missed my
Yeah, it's pretty late now, but
I just scrolled through the gold live Apple chat.
yes.
And I'm sure it's no surprise that David has handled Apple pretty well today.
Oh yeah, every day. He's the Apple whisperer.
XTLB hot stock pick up 99%. Currently halted to the upside. Resume at 10:03:13.
Great. Okay, thank you.
New home sales coming out in 1 minute, 15 seconds.
Thank you. New home sales coming out soon, gang. Did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Is that 10 o'clock? Oh wow. And we're gonna have volume at 10 o'clock. Ooh. Ooh. It's gonna be fun time. Yep, we got 50 seconds. Get ready. Market's go. You know how the market's gonna do. It's gonna go crazy right out of the gate. At least the first initial reaction.
Watch for IWM.
30 seconds. Got two little baby trades in there for funsies. Eep. 10 seconds. And 2 seconds. And time. Here we go. Oh, look at it. It's trying to figure it out. Little pro tip for you. Flip to a 5-minute chart so you can get more of the candle. Instead of being on the 1 minute, even if you're trading off the 1 minute, flip to a higher time frame in case the candles are really long and you can't see them on a chart for a 1 minute. Apple, you guys are still hanging on. You're still on VWAP. It's still to the upside, believe it or not, right? Yeah, it's still fighting it. It's still on VWAP, though.
Does anybody have the news on the home sales?
Yeah, it just came out at 737,000 versus 716, so it was higher.
So more home sales? Okay.
But not by enough, not by measurable enough, so it's pretty flat.
Yep,
Yeah,
15,000.
Market is like, yeah, whatever.
Nothing but.
Yep, just kind of.
Impact.
Yep, flat.
Doesn't have anything to do with permits, does it?
No.
SPY doesn't know what to do. It's so many candles are stalling.
Just be patient.
Oh, I know. I've been waiting.
You're gonna have to get under 694 on SPY.
This one
I agree.
Yeah, you got pretty good at holding back, Lana.
I don't rush it anymore.
Yeah. Took me a while. I finally got it.
Good job.
I'm not Russian, I'm American.
America.
I like that. That was good.
SPY still to the downside.
SPY's on pre-market low, coach, at 694 flat.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you. Yep, I see it. Oh,
That's what I was saying. We got to get under 694 and hold.
it's fighting it now.
That was a decisive candle.
Oh, that was a wow. Good night candle, right?
Potential support. Potential support at 693.36.
Yep.
This thing's frame trading right now.
Look at it, just bleeding out.
Apple went all the way down to 200.
Oh yeah, the whole market is just pulled. Let me check the Qs too. Oh yeah, same with the Qs, just blinked right out. Out. SPY is gone. Look at that candle. Wow.
I got a support at 692.70.
Okay, thank you. Yep, I've got it at 693, partner. But yeah, good call down there. I like it. But now SPY is officially green to red. SPY is definitely now in red territory, right? Look at Apple. Apple is still trying to wick around that VWAP. That is just gross. Sorry, that's just disgusting, right?
I'm up over 2% today.
Yes. 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 Good job.
Double top, double bottom, patient.
Yes. Nice work.
And shout out to my friend Brian listening on YouTube. It's his first time tuning in.
Oh, welcome.
And trying to get him involved.
Nice, nice. Welcome. Appreciate you being here. Now, is he a member or is he just free?
He is just on YouTube. He's
Okay.
my insurance agent.
Oh, gotcha.
And just told him yesterday to listen, and we've been texting, and I've been walking him through the critical levels and how I'm making money just sitting at work.
That's awesome. Yes, very cool. I love it.
He wants to learn more about it. He does long-term trading. He's never done day trading, but I told him that you do both.
We do. Nice, nice.
If he's into insurance, he should understand premiums, and we have a premium membership. Yay!
That's right.
Yep. Good job. Good job.
Let's get him into that workshop, Blake, on the 22nd.
Yeah, the free workshop. Get in there.
It helps when you refer people and actually make money. So I can say I'm making money. I'm not losing money.
There you go. SPY all the way tapped back up on the 9. About $1 away, still pulling to the downside momentum.
IWM did the exact same thing.
Right.
Netflix on a pull, sitting on support of 89.91. First downward EWO signaling.
Yep.
Coach, are you trading off the 5-minute?
No, I was just looking at it when we were charting. I just had some small, like little micro stuff in there. All right, let's see. Oh, Apple bounced. What was this? Off the 200. 200. Did anybody hang on through that? Listen, I wouldn't blame you if you didn't, because I kind of see one candle. This right here was right like 4 cents below VWAP. So you got out. I wouldn't have blamed you. That's a tough one. That's a tough one to hold on to, right? A toughie.
Early on the 2-minute, and we got about 37, 38% on the way up. And even my runners were back to pretty much a break even.
Yeah.
deadlift.
Yep. Yeah. That was pretty sketchy, that whole ride in there, right? 100%. Yeah, I think I can adjust that. Let me try to adjust that real quick. Let me see if I can edit that. Thank you. Love you. Let me see if I can edit where we're like our little bobbleheads are. So bear with me. Oh, are we? Okay, perfect. Oh, perfect. See, that's the other thing that's good is that like all of us can do all sorts of things at the same time. You know what I mean? I love that. It really does. Very nice. Yeah, our little bobbleheads. That's great. Oh yeah, don't forget, you guys can get 10% referral if you join the affiliate program right there. Blake, scan that with your phone. Give that to your insurance agent. Tell him when he signs up, use your code, save 10%.
Perfect. Thanks.
Yep.
On his car insurance too?
That's right.
Listen,
Which insurance agent is he?
he's with Farm Bureau, and I got it's not Jake. No, it's not. It's Brian.
You say that. Jake and Blake.
Yeah. I was just trying to get some commercial insurance that I swapped to him because it was cheaper for everything.
Yep.
And super excited. I started a business this week, Coach. Be proud.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Did you start at what'd you start on Etsy or something? What'd you do?
No, started at an LLC, and I'm just doing referrals right now for garage and storage organization.
Oh wow. Good
There's
stuff.
a lot of money in that.
Yeah.
Use my small business benefits that you teach about.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. That we've trained on in the mentorship area a lot.
Mentorship. I'm like, I got to go back.
Yes. We talked about that a lot. Yep.
Yeah, still my full-time job doing that as a side hustle, but hoping that between trading and that, I can keep the 9 to 5.
Yeah, that's
in the next 6 months.
Yeah, that's phenomenal. I know where you could make more money, but
well, I'm gonna build the business around my training and trading time.
no, I know where you can make more money right now. Our affiliate program, 10%. Have people sign up for that diamond lifetime membership for $5,000. You make $500 every time they subscribe and buy something, right? Woo! Yep. I'd make it a full-time job if I was everybody in the room, that would be my full-time job. Full-time.
So it's working now, Coach?
Yes, we just got it turned on, what, 2 days ago, Bruno?
I just got confirmation like literally today.
The whole system was broken on the back end.
Send a request, get a response back in 48 hours, something like that.
Yeah, 48 days. Not us. Our support.
I don't think anybody waits 48 seconds in here.
I know it, right? That's the code on the bottom, everybody. Scan it with your phone right now. All you need to do is get out your phone, get out your camera, take a picture of that, or just hold it up, actually, and it'll show you the link. But hold it over that. Click. It's right up on our YouTube screen and TikTok right now. All you got to do is
limitations. Yeah, sorry, Coach. There are limitations to that. So check out the affiliates channel on Discord and read carefully through the limitations.
correct.
I will not be chasing this down if you don't get the credit.
Yeah. Oh, my buddy signed up, but he didn't click the link. Is there any way you can give me a brand new car instead? And all, no. Note all that. Yeah. You say you're the Lambo Bros? Right.
You say it's your Lambo.
Somebody said, why is it 10%? It used to be 30. Listen, let's be honest. Nobody was doing it at 30. Probably nobody will do it at 10. It's free money. Do it. How hard were we pushing in trying to get people rich as hell off of just mentioning our name, and everybody was still sitting there like, duh. Huh? Am I right, Bruno, or am I right? We pushed it every single day and no one was doing it. So why would you complain about how much of the free money we're giving you when nobody did it anyways? Oh, oh,
16 people did it.
yes. Giovanni, you did? You had 3 people sign up?
Of course.
Nice job. You hear that? Giovanni made $1,500 while you guys were all sitting, right? Doing nothing. Thank you, Giovanni, because people don't believe that it worked and or that you could make money and or any of the things, right? So it helps when people actually speak up. Thank you. Did anybody else make any money off the affiliate program? Has anybody made any money referring anybody at any time? Tell them, because they're all like, thank you. How much did you make? How much did you guys make? Oh, this is why it cracks me up, and everybody still just sits there like, what do you mean? I don't know. Right? Come on. Get with the affiliate program. You like the way I threw that in there? Thank you. Thank you. Anyways, yep, click the thing, do the stuff. All you got to do is scan that code. It's sitting on your screen. Scan it. Bruno, you want to move it around on the screen or make it smaller or something so they're not like, you can't have static images on the display. Oh, is okay. Maybe just turn it off and then turn it back on or something, right? Yeah. Because they freak out. We don't want to break any rules. We're rule breakers. You guys are so dangerous. There you go. SPY still pulling to the downside. Nicey nice. Still got that momentum to the downside. Like I said, it definitely went red and stayed red right now. Nice. So you made 3. Go ahead.
AHMA holding to the upside.
Thank you. Appreciate you. And thank you for that news again, Michael. As always, you're awesome. We appreciate you, buddy.
You're welcome.
So you made 3,000. Anybody else make any money at all off of the affiliate program for us? You already heard that's what, $4,500 now between 2 people. All right.
Over 200, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. 200. Anybody else?
Yes, I made
$1,500 on the affiliate program. Anybody else? Yeah, absolutely. Nice job. Are you guys hearing the money, by the way, that everybody's been sitting on? You guys are hearing it, right? You telling me nobody wants 3,000, 1,500 sounds like the average. Nobody wants $1,500. I guess that means nothing to you because you're making so much money at your 9-to-5 job and trading that you don't want any more money. I understand. You are a multi-millionaire. I understand now. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Speaking of multi-millionaires that are still doing it, Mark's still getting it done. Mark still gets happy when he gets the commission, right? When he's streaming live and somebody streams in, and he's made millions in here, right? Somebody said my mic is low. Is it low for everybody? And is that everywhere?
Yeah, it's pretty low, Coach.
Where, Zoom or the live streams?
Zoom.
In our Zoom? What?
Zoom is good.
I hear you
Oh.
perfectly.
Oh.
Zoom is fine for me.
I hear you perfect too.
Zoom is good.
Okay.
You're softer than the other Zoom participants, so I'll tell you that.
Yeah, you're a little bit far in sound.
That's true.
The volume is a little bit low on you.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me crank the machine. Hold on. Let's see if I can not blow your eardrums. Hold. Hold, check. All right, let's try this. Testing. Is that better or worse?
A little bit better.
Okay, hold on. Check. Hold on. Let me make sure I don't clip. Check. Testing. Microphone check. How's that?
Getting there.
Okay, still not loud? Are you serious? Okay, hold on. Let me check. Give me a second. Hold on. Output check. Testing, clipping. Let me adjust this. Check. Testing. Check.
There you go.
Check. Testing. All right, testing. Check. Testing.
Yes, right there.
That's much
I'm
better.
awake, coach. I'm awake.
Yay. It's so good. It was. I can see it. The problem is that Zoom keeps autocorrecting even when I told it not to, so it keeps trying to adjust my volume. So it won't let me force it. So yeah, this is.
I hope you guys are into the downside.
Thank you. Same with SPY. Anybody in that still to the downside? Yes.
I'm in there, Colorado.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Good job.
Good.
Money.
Good job.
Heed the warning on AMD. So hopefully you're not messing around with it now to the upside.
Oh, right. Yeah. It's super heavy on the vine now, right? You see the way it's hanging there?
Yeah, I kept fighting resistance.
Yep.
221.85.
Yep.
And it just could not break free. And then once it breaks that pattern,
Yep.
it's going to be game over.
Yep, exactly. If you guys look at it on our Zoom, right? So we had nice steady stair step. This is where it started to get flat and then it started to get heavy, right? So it looks like this, right? Starting to weigh down. You can see it was clearly had nice up right here though. As soon as we broke this level, see it? That is when the game changed right there. So we went from consolidation. Let me show everybody that's watching on the live. Let me get rid of this one. As soon as this level broke right here, this is what started to cause that problem. See it? Then it tried to come back up. So it broke through the support, came back up, hit that resistance level at 220 and 50 cents. Couldn't hold. Now it's collapsing. Now we're looking for the pull back down to VWAP, correct? Yep. Good job. Should be okay now. We have 80 viewers on YouTube and 118 on TikTok still. Good stuff. Good to have you all here. Thank you for all those double clicks, all the things, all the gifts. I appreciate you. Don't forget, you guys throw out a galaxy, we will follow you back. We see you over there. We see you typed in testing on Twitch. We see you. Thank you. I'm glad I can see all that information now. Again, does everybody like the new format? Do you like seeing more people on here? Or do you just like staring at the old man's forehead?
69.85.75.
Are those your measurements?
Yes, 69.75. He's just throwing some random stuff at us. Rando stuff.
And welcome to Jaron. Signed up for a VIP monthly about 6 hours ago.
Oh, that was it. Yep. Thank you. Congratulations and welcome to your VIP membership. Nice.
And hopefully we will have another premium membership signing up here. Sent me a message that I'm going to share with the group.
Oh, very nice.
Today.
Yes.
Even as of today, I doubled my small trading account. I started off with 500 last week, and as of the QQQ trade,
QQQ.
This morning, I more than doubled my account.
Wow.
I'm ready to. Somebody's mic is open. I'm hearing feedback.
Hold on, I'll kill him. Go ahead.
And said he's ready. I still can hear it.
Might be pulling off mine. Let me turn mine down. Go ahead.
750 is going to be the 2 years. I never thought I'd want to trade short term like this. I was taught to trade long term, so it's taking me some time to get used to trading this way. But Coach has been extremely helpful in learning the support and resistance to the short term trading. I hope I can grow this account in unspeakable amounts this year. Thank you, and let me know what the next steps would be to take.
That's phenomenal. Yeah, send him the and you know what? I'll do him one better. He's getting the 750, right? Premium from 2 years. I'm going to do something ridiculous because that's what we do here. Let's throw in a year of VIP, which is $2,500 value. Let's throw it in there. Just have him sign up today and tell him I'm going to give him a VIP membership for a full year to go along with it. How's that sound for 750? Boom! Boom! Let's make it happen. Let's make it rain, baby.
Nice, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make dreams a reality. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
One trade at a time.
Yes. I like it when people communicate, get involved, get active, engage in what's going on. You guys already know. I love that stuff. That's the stuff that dreams are made of, right? You're very welcome. That's awesome. That's one heck of a way to start 2026. So now he's going to have a membership all the way through to 2027. That's awesome. Yes. 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 That's beautiful, man. I like it. I like it a lot.
I have a line. I have a line. Beautiful. 691.67. Does anybody have anything before that? Or 691.70 really?
For SPY,
Yeah.
let's take a peek.
Oh, I see it. Gold line.
It's sitting on the gold line.
Yep.
I see it. Thank you.
Yep. SPY though, still to the downside, perfectly off this 9 all the way down. Is anybody still in SPY to the downside?
I am.
Yes. Yes. Love it. By the way, when Mark was live with me yesterday, I think it was like 17 minutes or something. And the only reason I'm saying this is because yesterday he let me say it on the live, so I'm going to say it on the live today. Yeah, it was only a couple minutes. He made $37,000 live with me yesterday in about 17 minutes, just so you guys know, right? We did the math. When Mark first sat down with me years ago, when he had his first one-on-one with me, his objective was to make $400 per day. That's what he needed, right? To replace his day job and to be fully retired. That was his first goal, right? Think about that. Yesterday, he was able to achieve, we'll just say an hour, $37,000 in that hour, divided by 400. You guys realize that what his old goal used to be at 400 a day is now 92. That is 92 trading days. There are 20 trading days in a month, right? So that is over 4 months worth of what he used to want to achieve is what he made last night while we were in our live. Tell me that isn't crazy. That's next level, right? You know, when and he's making millions, but I want you to think about that for a moment. In the very beginning, it was, I would love to make 400 a day and replace my 9-to-5 job. Right? And now look. And I've seen some of his days. I've seen him in a single day make over 10x his annual income in a day. So this is the stuff that I'm talking about, right? Nice. Was that Steven? Did I just
Well, he just got lucky, Coach.
Yeah, he just got lucky. Yeah.
He just got lucky. No, he just got lucky. I sent him the wrong link, but I guess my mistake is your advantage. So you see it. It's a 750 premium, but it wasn't a renewal.
750. Oh yeah, I got it. Well, all you need to do is just change what it was. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but yeah, we'll work on it.
Yeah, I'll let you figure it out. But anyways, congratulations and welcome. Welcome, Steven. Good stuff with a brand new membership. Very nice. Listen, I got everybody in here kind of in the giving mood. I kind of loosening up a little bit. Let's do this, Bruno. For the next 3 people that want a Diamond Lifetime membership, let's go $3,500. How's that sound? We'll do that for the next 3 people and 3 people only. Listen to me. We never do this. The next 3 people and 3 people only. If you either open your mic and say that's mine or type it in or something, because we're not going to do this. 3 people and we're done. $3,500. It is now originally 12 grand. It's on sale for 5 today for 3 people. Now $3,500. First 3 people to say I want it and or type it in, and when it's gone, it's gone. Open your mics. Don't sit there on your ass. You won't get this again. But I'm a real trader. I don't need your Diamond Lifetime membership. Okay. Knock yourself out. Hold on. I'm looking. Look around the board. Are they all gone? They should be gone now. They should be gone. Are they gone? Yeah, that's. Yeah. Is it? Are they gone now? I want to make sure so I don't have to talk about it no more. Are they all sold? That should be it. It should have not taken longer than 2 seconds. Is this thing on?
If I could go back and get it for 3,500.
Any?
You can do it, guys.
Is this on? Hello? Anybody? Anybody? All right, I'll do this since I don't want to look like a fool giving away too much.
People in our futures group, coach, that are going, this is a steal. I can't believe no one's taking advantage of it.
Yeah, so what I'll do instead of leaving it open and making me look like a fool, right, for giving away too much, I'll give you guys 10 seconds. I'm not sitting here for this because all I do is lose money when I do this kind of stuff. I just in a giving mood. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Nope, that's it. I'm not playing that BS game. I'll never do that again. You will never get that deal again. Moderators, never, ever allow me to do that again. Ever. That's it. What's that?
Brian H. in the Zoom chat.
No, it's over. It's over.
It was before that.
No.
Hey, I was trying to say I wanted one, but I didn't realize my mic was muted.
That one person who's looking for payment plans.
Yeah, we're not doing a payment plan on that. Come on, stop it.
Can y'all hear me?
Yes. Linda, did you want one? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
I do. I was trying to say before your time was up, and then I didn't realize my mic was muted.
Everybody's trying. They can't open the mic. Coach is messing with them now. Coach.
I can't guarantee if it was that, I should find a way.
You know what's funny? You know what's funny? You know what's funny? It'd be like, I'm going to give away $1 million in the next 10 seconds if somebody says something, and then I kill all the mics. Well, I guess that's it. I guess we're done here. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Lyndon, go ahead and open up a help desk ticket. We'll take care of you, okay? Oh, well, never mind. Bruno's got it. The code, the QR code is up there. Bruno, you were all over those codes. Look, the code is up there. The code is on YouTube right now. And on Discord, it's in the Traders Lounge. There's actually a link. Arlo put a link up there. See it?
Yes.
There you go. I was gonna say everybody should. If I was everybody, I would already bought 10 right now. I'd be like, oh, coach has got it open. Hold on, Coach has still got it open. Coach has still got the window open.
Includes.
Sure, you got it. So the Diamond Lifetime membership includes every membership service we have. So that is premium, VIP, VIP Gold, futures, futures VIP, futures VIP Gold, crypto, crypto VIP, crypto VIP Gold. You're going to get all of the training every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. All the workshop classes are free to you forever, and all the previous workshop classes, all the gold breakout rooms, the mentorship classes. You're going to get the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the videos, and all the advanced training videos. You're going to get the Saturday training and now the Sunday training that we've been putting on. What else am I missing, moderators? Oh, you're going to get the 2-minute EWO for Trading View. Moderators, what am I missing? There's about 87 things I'm trying to think of. Go.
What about the Apple Chat?
Yes, you're good. Thank you. You're going to get the live Apple chat as well. Now I have to go to my board. You're also going to get the.
Early pre-market.
Yep. Yep. Absolutely. Early pre-market, 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You're going to get, the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. You're going to get the gold newsletters. We just released the gold newsletter, right? And yep, all the gold breakout rooms. And there you go. There you go. There you go. For $3,500, which is less than the cost of a VIP gold combo package, which is $5,000 a year. Oh, there you go. Well, I mean, now I feel bad because I was trying to shut it down, but people were trying to get in and things didn't happen. So
Coach, stop playing hard to get.
Yeah. Just I'm like, anybody that says it, kill the mic. Oh my gosh. What the heck? All right, these are the kind of messages I get from my Diamond members, by the way. Somebody just sent this to me. Ready? Somebody just sent me. That's what they're up this morning. That's one of my Diamond members, by the way, since we're speaking of Diamond memberships right now. Somebody read that off. I just posted it to you in the Zoom chat. How much did this person make this morning? Go ahead.
$123,306.30.
$123,000. It's 10:35. The market's been open an hour for this Diamond member. Nice. Results not guaranteed, all the things. But this is just what one of my members just sent me. Is that awesome or what?
That is extremely awesome, Coach.
That is beautiful. Welcome to Diamond, Panther, and Squirrel. What do we got? A bunch of zoo animals coming in here? Oh,
So I will need some help how to set up the 2-minute EWO and stuff. I don't have Trading View. I guess I need that.
correct. You need the Trading View membership. You can get the basic membership, which I believe everybody, correct me if I'm wrong, is $15 a month, and then our overlay goes on top of it. Yep. But all you need to do, Lyndon, is just open up a help desk ticket and we walk you through the whole thing.
Okay, all right. I'm not going to have time right now.
It's okay.
Today, but
Yep.
we'll,
Yeah.
absolutely.
You have it. You'll have it for life. Just is there? Okay.
Somebody mentioned 7 days of training. What was that?
Oh, that's because as a Diamond member, we're training everything 7 days because Saturday we have our Saturday class and then Sunday crypto starts. So because you're a Diamond, it's Sunday futures and crypto. I mean, it doesn't even include the crypto lives and the crypto at night and it's stupid. That's why, just so everybody knows, that's why this membership's supposed to be 20 grand. Because if you bought every one of my memberships for a lifetime each, it's $50,000. You guys do know that, right? I don't think you guys understand that. If you bought every one of my memberships, which are $5,000 each for a lifetime, for each of them, you realize that's over $50,000, right?
Yes.
I said 3,500 this morning. 7,000 people, right, should have been knocking each other out to get in front of the line. Am I right?
So will my current VIP membership quit being charged automatically, or do I got to cancel it?
Nope. As soon as you do it, we actually review it and make sure it's not.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I've done it. I've paid. We're good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yep, absolutely. Gang, you guys cannot, if you guys are already members, do not be using our discount codes, right? Because then we got to take it back. If you're an existing member, don't use the discount codes. Thank you. Yeah, remember those discount codes are only supposed to be for new members. Thank you. And our member says, and 30 cents, $123,306.30. Nice, nice.
Congratulations to the new diamonds.
Woo, woo. Good job. Nice, nicey nice.
What's your thoughts on this SPY bounce? Does it look like a reversal, or has it got too much challenge?
Well, you know what? You and I are going to discuss this. You ready? If I was looking for a reversal and where it's at, what would give me the strength, right? Before I'm like, yes, I think it's a full reversal. What for you and only you would I be looking at? Like, what would make this better? That
Sorry, I was getting muted up. All right. So one, I think that we need some more volume, but
Yeah, don't worry about volume. Now remember, all volume does is just moves it faster, right? Volume is nothing at all to do with anything. All we need this to do, cross VWAP. That's right. Yep, that's it. Now if VWAP was way out in outer space, we could look at getting into it earlier, right? If you're like, oh, it's $6 away, well, that would be different. But the fact that VWAP is so close to where this just hit, think about this. This just hit 693.72, and VWAP was sitting at 694.27. 50 cents away. Wouldn't it be better just to wait for it to clear that spot than for 50 cents me try to, this is the reversal, and then bam, right in the jugular, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I'd be looking for, right? It's starting to look good, but this is also one of those, it can still, right, come up to VWAP, which VWAP is going to be collapsing, right? The longer this stays down, this is going to meet, it can hit VWAP and then just pull, right? So, and this is the part where I always talk about never guess bottom. Okay? So everybody in the room, this is why I'm always like never guess bottom and never guess top, right? So, now is it a double bottom? Great setup. If we're looking for a reversal, more dangerous. Does that make sense? Because you're going against the grain, you're going against momentum, right? Yep. So I never try to guess bottom. And again, I'd rather wait for a beautiful A plus setup, which will be once it crosses and holds above VWAP. Now here's the other thing. The longer this consolidates and or sits around here, right? This 200 is also going to close in. VWAP's going to come in. It's going to look more like this. And then by the time it gets there, I'm going to have to decide, is there enough meat on the bones between VWAP and the 200? So once it gets up there, I will reevaluate it, right? Because now, if I'm like, yeah, I'm going to go long, it's above VWAP, but the 200 is now super tight. I don't want that either, right? If it's like, oh, that's a 20-cent move to go to the next highest resistance level on the chart, no bueno. So depending on how this gets there, what it looks like at that point, we will then determine it. Maybe VWAP and the 200 end up running into each other. And then next thing you know, we look up here and what do you know? It's exactly $1.90, which is another resistance level because that is close of previous day. Do you see what I mean? Like as we get there, we'll start to figure out, okay, how does it look now? What did it do? Right? Does that make sense, everybody in the room? And great question, by the way. That's an amazing question. Good question. I like that. Yeah. Now remember, everybody, when we talk about volume, right? We're like, oh, but volume moves the market. Listen, the only thing volume is doing is just an excess amount of buyers and or sellers, right? And I want you to think about this. I want you to envision this right now. There's no difference between 10 people buying and selling versus a million people buying and selling, right? It's just faster the candles move, right? That's all volume is. So if you ever hear anybody talking, well, we need volume, listen, that just means more people come in to do it. It's just going to move faster. Volume just moves it faster. If the same two people were handing me money back and forth, it stays flat. We'll put 10 people in a row. They're all doing the same thing, handing the money back and forth. Put 1 million people in the row, higher volume, right? Volume just means more buyers and sellers, but they're all just handing the money back and forth. Isn't that the same as 10 people versus 1 million? But it's high volume. Make sense?
Yep.
Volume doesn't do crap. Volume just helps to see it move faster if it's in a momentum. There's more volume come in. You will hear me say, look at the volume coming in. I use that because I determine, okay, like let's SPY right now is to the downside. So if I see the train running, meaning, candle down, candle down, candle down, and I see a lot of volume, which is just sell, 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 I like it. If it starts to stall out and go slow, it's a little bit harder to read, right? You'll hear Mark too a lot of times in the future. He's like, well, there's no volume. It's harder to trade when there's no volume. And the only reason that is because it's slower, right?
And efficiency in bids and asks, right?
Yes, it's just slower. Yeah, everything is it just slows down. Like right now, look, we're just kind of slow, but it's 10:45. It is slower at 10:45 than it was at 9:30, right? Than it was at exactly 10 o'clock. But does that mean that the candles are not going to move? Does that mean it's not going to go up or down from overbuying or overselling? No. But it's harder because it's slower. And yesterday I gave the pro tip. Here is a pro tip. If you guys are watching for free and you want my pro tip, everybody watching for free, type in the word pro right now across the board. If you are watching for free and you want a pro tip, type in the word pro. I never discuss this ever in this room. I've been in here for 3.5 years. I bet I've mentioned it less than 5 times. Type in the word pro. Okay, I see him coming in. Nice. I see TikTok's blowing up with pro. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, listen. Little pro tip for you scalpers. If there is a slower amount of movement on the chart, flip it to a 30-second. Watch this. So you know how it was super slow, boring, and barely moving on the 1 minute? Look at the 30-second. You see how I can see it faster? It's twice the speed, right? I do not recommend this when it's ripping because it'll all over the place, right? Like squirrel, right? If the market is slow or whatever you're trading in is slow or has lower volume, right? Not a lot of buying and selling. It's not really good momentum one way or the other. Flip it down to a lower time frame, right? Watch the difference. This is 30 seconds. Watch 15 seconds. Do you see the difference? Now, do you notice that the volume has stayed the same, but I see it faster, right? Now, I can tell you this. There are people out there, my one and only competitor, by the way, that's out there, will trade on either a 10-second Sometimes I've seen him trade on a tick, which is every buy and sell, because, right, he'll buy 60,000 shares of a micro, right, one of our hot stock picks. He'll hold it for under 2 seconds, make 5 grand. This is what he's doing, though, right? So think about it. If it's slower, right, slower mover, go shorter time frame. Look at the 10-second. And look at, even on 10-second, SPY is just like a turtle, right? If you go,
It looks slow today, all of them.
yeah, it's just a turtle. But do you guys see the difference? If you want to see it faster, get in there, right? It's like looking at it with a microscope. How much is it really moving inside of my 1 minute candle? That's what we're doing. So if you guys ever catch yourself and you're like, oh my gosh, the paint is drying as I'm watching this candle, flip it, right?
I saw a YouTube video about the person you just referenced.
Yep.
That does all the penny stocks.
Yes.
Essentially.
Yep.
The YouTube review of that guy's channel, he said that though he is really good at what he does, more people blow up their account joining his program than
Correct.
any other, just because of his overall mechanics and strategy are so.
That's correct. It's actually impossible for the norm to do it. Yep. Nobody in that room is buying 60,000 shares and able to sell it in under 1 second, right?
Yeah, he's a
Yep.
freak, man.
Yep. Yep. He's the only competitor that I have. And the other thing is he's 10,000 a year and you don't get to talk to him. So, to have the things we have is 10,000 a year and you cannot talk to him. There is no live open microphone. You will never be able to ask this human being a question ever. Thank you. So there you go. That was my little pro tip for the day. Did anybody like that? I don't recommend you're in there always trading on it because it is fast, right? It moves very fast. So don't be like, I'm going to start scalping on the tick. You probably get crushed, right? So be cool. Everybody be cool, right? All right, good deal. Yeah, it's very hard. Your emotions will go all over the place. It'll go crazy. Yes, Papa Todd says 30-second in the pre-market works great. It does, as long as it's not super fast running. Absolutely. So again, if you guys are watching the paint dry and you're like, I can't, this is crazy, change it, right? That doesn't mean freak out and panic, because obviously the candles are going to look like they're going all over the place. But anyways, like I said, I don't talk about it a lot, and I talked about it in the futures last night, and I even said why I don't talk about it a lot, because I don't want people in there and getting scared and doing stupid stuff. But I'm telling you right now, there are a lot of times I am trading on my own in a 30-second window, just so you know, right? So it's really however you want it to look. Do I want it to go fast? Do I want it to go slow? Am I going to be in and out? Or am I going to get in it, hold it for a couple seconds and or minute? Well, I don't need all that speed. I'm okay. I've got my stop and I can let it bounce around and I can relax a little bit. That's why I always have you guys on the 2-minute EWO, though. It's a slower paced, momentum style trade. Get in and let it go.
Even then, don't you
Yep.
sometimes have to go to the 5 minute just so you don't freak out?
That's correct. Absolutely. You get into a good momentum trade, change it to a nice longer time frame, and then you're not freaking out about every micro move and or every time a candle goes red or green against you, right? You're not like, oh. It's controlling your emotions, which will control the trade. Thank you. Appreciate you. Moderators, anything to add? Anybody want to discuss? Anybody want to talk about it? And give me 1 second too, by the way. I need to use the restroom real quick. My wife's just giving me my second Diet Coke. I'm about to bounce off the walls here any minute. You guys go ahead. I'm going to kill my camera. You guys go ahead, though. I'll be right back.
The Road Ranger on TikTok sent you a galaxy.
There we go. There we go. I'm back. All right. Can you guys see and hear everything okay again?
Yeah. Hey, Coach, would
Yep.
that be considered a double bottom bounce on SPY or just a higher low?
Let me look. Yeah, 25 to 40 cent variance. That's technically a double bottom right here, right? So if we look at it, let's see, 60, what is this, 64 to around this 60. Yeah, I mean, it's really close, right? It's like 20 cents. See it?
Yeah, I see it. I
Yep.
just was wondering if you would classify that as a double bottom bounce.
I would, but this would be where I call it, right, my micro double bottom, because it's not a huge like previous day type of setup or a pre-market setup. This is an intraday micro double bottom, meaning it's a smaller setup, right? So it doesn't always mean big move, but yeah, I'm always looking for those. Yep.
Gotcha. Thanks.
Yeah, like I would put way more weight on a pre-market or a previous day low for a double bounce. You know what I'm saying, partner?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yep,
Thank you.
yep. Great question. Now, same thing here, right? So SPY, right? Earlier, think about this. The conversation we were having earlier, remember, was, is this a reversal? Now, when he was asking me, we were in here, right? Then we got up to here, and I said, I'd rather wait till it got to VWAP. Look at what it did here. Let's say I went long here, right? This pulled all the way back. See this? You guys remember us having this kind of conversation? I said, I don't want to do that until we break and hold VWAP. Remember?
I remember that.
This went all the way back down. So you would have went all the way red, going, dang it. Now we're all the way back up. Okay. Now we're right back at VWAP. So this is now starting to set up where I want it. Remember, I said, let's evaluate it when we get up here. Where's the 200? Where's VWAP? And remember, I said VWAP will come down to meet it, and we'll see what it does, how long it took to get there, et cetera, all the things. So now we're starting to make a move to the upside, and I still would not long this. I would not. Couple things here that are going to be holding us back. I want you guys to look at this. Look at this level right here. I'm going to draw us across just so we can see it. Does everybody see this? This is all this pre-market trash. You see it? Right there. This is pre-market low and where it kept bouncing. Does everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
If we don't break above this, we're not going nowhere. See it? That's just trash. And VWAP sitting right there. No bueno, buddy. I got to be above that thing. Don't care. Long hair, don't care. I don't want it.
You also got that 200 right above.
That's
VWAP.
Yeah, I was about to say
Yep.
200's right on top of VWAP.
Yep. And remember what I said once it gets above there. Remember what I said? I said we will want to evaluate how much space there is between VWAP and the 200 to see if I'd even want to get in there. Does that make sense? Remember, I said I'm not doing it if there's 30 cents or something. Why would I risk that? Yep.
That makes sense because you got the 200 and red to green.
Yeah. And remember, I said that too. I said, what if they all align and now I've got the highest level of resistance? Remember?
Yeah, it looks like they're like a quarter away from each other, the 200 and VWAP.
Yep. And we're only, and we're $1.30 away right now from previous day close. So that's why I said, so once we get there, then and only then will we start to evaluate that setup again. Right. But do you see how it changes in real time? I have to change in real time. There is no, well, it's long on VWAP, short when it's not. Wrong on everything. As it gets there, we then reevaluate it, right? We don't have to overcomplicate it. It's all the training that I've given you and we talk about every day that we've done for the last 3.5 hours or 3.5 years, right? This is how we've done what we've done and become so successful, though. By the way, new update on this trade. Hold on. It's ridiculous. Crazy. You like that? New update. Nice. That right there is more than most people will see in a year. Some of you that will be 4 years worth of pay. Yep, 3 to 4 years worth of pay, right? Am I right?
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
We got a question on YouTube. How do we hold above VWAP? Just two consistent green candles bigger than the others?
It's a great question. We talk about that quite a bit, right? So when we talk about a break and hold, right, we want to look at, I'm going to do it right off this VWAP so you can see it in real time, what it would look. Oh, I can't do it off. They won't be able to see this. Okay. I was going to draw it, but I can't use my annotation tools. You guys won't be able to see it for free because you're not premium members who have Zoom access, who get all of our live annotations over here like my Madden chalkboard. Okay. I'll have to visualize it. So what I'm looking for is number one, either the world's longest 1 minute candle that comes above VWAP, and then I see a new one form above it, right? We talk about shouldering a lot, right? If it shoulders the next one, meaning higher than the previous candle, that one. Okay?
You mean start to form or complete forming?
Start to form is fine as long as, now remember what I said, as long as it's the world's largest candle. Remember me saying that? Now, what I don't want is the world's largest candle. It stalls, meaning stops when the other candle forms and doesn't go up. That means it's going to have a 50% retracement. Don't I talk about that all the time? If it's a long 1 minute candle and it stops, look for it to come back. I don't want that, right? It needs to form a new candle high and keep running. Or, of course, the other way is a break and hold is just 2 candles above, right? So it got above it, new candle high above it, right? That's the way I look at it. But again, if I'm going to look at just like one long candle, then that other candle better be going above it. I don't want long candle, stalls out, pulls back. Now I'm red. Then it bounces and I go through all the drama in the beginning of it, right? I don't like that because if the candle is still, all right, you guys that are premium members, I can show you. They can't see it, unfortunately. This is VWAP. Everybody see this level? See it? Okay, let's say these are my candles, right? Coming in, coming in. There it is. That's not a break and hold. See it? Nope. Next candle comes in, right? That is. You see how the next candle's higher than this previous candle? That's a break and hold, right? But it has to be through here, through VWAP, right? Otherwise, if I see a long candle, right? And then I got to watch where it tops. This is what I'm talking about. I have to watch where it tops up there. If this doesn't immediately start new high and I see it hesitate or come down, I'm not touching that. You already know it's going to want to come back at least half this candle or retrace to here before deciding the next move, right? And you guys, a lot of times, so a stalled candle to me is a long candle. And what you should see off the next candle, right? Think about it. If this is my last candle, that's my little wick. That means the next one starts here. This one should immediately start to go up, right? If it does not immediately start to go up, what it'll do is you'll see a candle will start right here. And if it doesn't immediately go up, you already know we're going this way, right? And then that is my 50% retracement candle off of this stall, meaning it could not continue to climb. It should stair step, stair step, stair step, stair step. So when you hear my buzzwords, that candle stalled, watch for it to pull back, right? Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay, great. That's great. Good stuff. By the way, Yeah, you're welcome. By the way, we haven't recorded any of this because I forgot to click the Zoom record. So you guys will have to go back. You guys will have to go back. Sorry, because we were doing all new stuff today. You guys will have to go back and go to the YouTube channel to watch. All of this is recorded on YouTube. You can rewatch this live stream a million times, right? Great question, though.
I got to do the same thing that you did earlier, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the restroom and get back to editing some videos.
All right.
Something to gas, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You're going to go to the bathroom as you say gas. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh. See ya. Thank you for coming in here and joining us. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you. What do you got to toggle me out or?
Yeah, I'm just going to kick you out, removing you as a guest. Bye. See ya. Out. All right.
Bye, Donnie.
See ya. Okay, we had a couple people scoop up that Diamond Lifetime membership. Congratulations. Don't ever ask me ever, as long as you live, ever, for that deal, because 5K is too much. I kept telling my moderators we should never do that. So, yep, it's gone. It's gone. All right, listen, I'm going to take off too. I can smell my lunch is making me, or my lunch is making me, my lunch is making me some wife. My wife is making some lunch for me right now. Yay! Yeah, I got cauliflower pizza on the brain. That's what she's making me right now. Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, Coach. I've been with you about 3 years. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I never really traded crypto with you guys. I've just been showing those guys some love. I've been trading crypto for about 8 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Those guys are awesome. Bucko, Chris, James, everybody.
Yes.
Awesome. I've been watching you guys hop on like crazy now with the live feeds. Last night I jumped on. Sunday evening, Mark was on talking about support levels. So I'm trying to show you as much love as I possibly can.
Oh, thank you, man.
The QR code, can you guys put that somewhere so we can share that?
Yep.
I don't know how to share.
Yep, absolutely. So here's
Yeah, I was going to ask Coach if he's trying to get his affiliate.
yeah, sounds like it. You just want the affiliate barcode to hand out, right?
Yeah, I just want to be able to share it like on social media or something.
Yeah. So that'll be a little different. Open up a help desk ticket if you want, and or Bruno can work with you a little bit later. It's different because the code isn't the same for everybody because we're all different, right? So we have to, yeah. But we can listen if you guys are serious about it, though. We have, for those of you that are serious about handing out that code, open up a help desk ticket. We will help you. We will show you. Listen to the sound of my voice. Those of you are like, I'd like to make some extra money. I don't know why you guys are sitting there so long. Listen, we will show you how to print out free business cards with your QR code, with our link and our logo. You can hand out to anybody you want, anywhere, doing anything at any time. There is no reason why none of you are not making a ton of money by showing people what we do in here. And you know it works. Look at what we've done, right?
Yeah, I just want to do it.
Yep. Yeah. No. I'd love to put coin. No, I want to put money in your pocket. I'd rather do that. Let me just thank you, but I'd rather give you money too, right? It's a win-win. Thank you. It's a win-win. But yeah, we appreciate it. And those of you that are watching, we are trying to go live more, right? It is my intention, and I'm not kidding, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this. Eventually, American Dream Trading will be live 24 hours a day. That is my end goal. American Dream Trading TV. I have been talking about this with my moderators for a very long time. We are continuing to grow the process of getting more and more and more lives going. This is why. Let me tell you why. I don't need people watching some random cat lady trying to sell you a course or some BS bot that's going to lose all your money. I would rather we were in front of you, people showing you real risk management, actually training you on how the market works in any market condition, than you catching some little kid with his headphones on in his mom's basement asking you to join his free Discord, right? So my goal is for us to be live 24/7 eventually, so that you are not at risk to all of these little kitty cat scammer weird crap out there. That is my goal. That is our intention. I told you since the day we started this 3.5 years ago that we will always continue to strive to be the best, the literal best in service, training, education, technology, and all the latest and greatest of everything that's out there, and staying on top of the news like we do, right? That is our job. When anybody talks about stock market training, I want it to be a good, positive light about American dream trading. This is what we do. So I appreciate everybody being here. I want to thank all my moderators who help put on this big, ginormous program every single day. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. I got a little bit of rhythm going on right there. You saw that. Uh-huh. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Hopefully this doesn't get filtered out. But before I go, don't forget, get a little Jesus in you. There you go. There's a little Jesus. I got to wave him around. He's flying on a cloud so you can see it without the system trying to block it out. Thank you guys again. Listen, thank you for putting up with us changing the format and how we do it, and like me going, changing how we're doing it. We're going to be working through a couple of little bugs. It's only because I'm trying to make this better and better and better every day. So we will be testing things, changing things, adding things, doing things. Never get complacent. Never get complacent or comfortable, just like with your trading. Never get lazy and fat and unhealthy with your trading, right? It's the same thing same with us. We never want to get complacent. We always want to strive to be the absolute best we can. We still have the American Dream Trading Academy we are building up on the back end. Don't worry, I've just kind of postponed the American Dream Trading Journal that we finished, by the way. I paid our staff. We reviewed it. We did all the things. I fully got it to where everybody wanted it to be. I don't like it. I'm not releasing it yet. It is done. I promise you, it is done. We did all the work on it. We spent a ton of time on it. I don't like it where it's at right now. And if I don't like it and I can't put my stamp of approval on it, which has got my name associated with it, it's not going to happen. This is not a cash grab. This is we will only and always provide the best of the best of the best, or we don't have it, period. That's it. Quality control, baby.
Hey, Coach, when is
Yes.
Next Trading View updates coming?
We're working on that. Same thing with that. We already have a whole new beta ready to go. I have to be careful how fast we push them, because every time we push them, it can break. And when it breaks, it could break thousands of people. So it has to go through a huge process, right? Trust me. I already got let's go to the next one. I'm like, just hold. Hold. So thank you for asking that, right? And again, once it is ready and 100%, and I don't want to break the system just to have an update, it'll be there, right? So thank you. Great question, though. All right, listen, everybody have a blessed day. God bless. I appreciate you all for being here. Thank you for hitting that subscribe. Yes, don't forget that free workshop class. It is posted up there right now. It costs you nothing. That is not this Thursday, but next Thursday, January 22nd, 4 p.m. Eastern. It's free for 1,000 people. I cannot get any more than 1,000 people. If you are watching me on everything, it's free. Well, I don't have a membership. It's free. But I'm not a Diamond Lifetime member. It's free. Click the button. Do the things. Love your face. I'm out. See ya.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you, moderators. Thank you, moderators. Thank you. Thank you, moderators, for coming up here. I know that's something that we don't normally do. I appreciate it. I'm going to try to pull everybody on the stage all the time because I think it's more fun. I think it's cool when we can see all of you, right? You guys have great, valuable insight and things to add to it, right? And they're probably sick of seeing the old man. I love having more people. Everybody that is streaming for me, plan on doing the same. As many moderators as you can get on board, grab them. I think it's so much better for us to be able to see more bodies, more people. I just think it's a cool thing to do, right? And if people are like, I don't want to see everybody, well, then we'll turn it off. But I think right now, I think they're going to want the variety, right? I mean, look at these beards over here, right? We got some of the greatest beards in the business. Not mine. Mine's tiny. I don't let it grow out there. But look at some of these beards out here. Huh? Right? We got the greatest traders the world has ever seen and the greatest beards. That's it. I'm out. See you.